These are the results of the wireless CCTV camera installation. I have completed the installation of the 2 cameras and the Wi-Fi internet router. It took me 2 days to accomplish the installation because I had to wait for the cameras and the router that I purchased online to be delivered. However, it actually took 1 week for the parcels to arrive. This is day 1 of my work on the cameras. I have planned where I will place them and how I will route the wires. Each camera is already assigned. One is placed above the stairway, and the other is in the hallway. The Wi-Fi router is placed in the middle so that the signal can reach both cameras. And this is the list of the expenses, parts and expenses. This is the breakdown. This is how I decided to route the wire. I will run it through here, and the helper of the owner helped me, drilling the wall. This is how I arranged the wires. I ran the duplex wire for the source and the UTP for the Wi-Fi. I have prepared them so that I can place them and decide exactly where I will cluster them all together. Here, I have started installing the camera junction box. I drilled to position it. Here I have also placed the power source line. I used cable clips to make it permanent and to secure it along the wall. Here I have also placed the Wi-Fi router. This is where I have mounted it. And here, in this area, I have installed electrical PVC molding for the source. I got the power source from the outlet below, which has an outlet, and it goes up to the cameras. here, this is the second camera that I have installed as well. And this is the result of my first day working on these cameras. I have not finished yet because the cameras and the router have not been delivered yet. I ordered them online. I will return next time to continue and finish the job once I receive the parcels. That will be part 2 of the video.